It is really stressful when something like this happens to a small business and very worrying. I lost a lot of sleep. Hi, I'm Emma and this is the January Bag Makers box. I'm going to show you exactly what's inside and I'm going to explain all about the huge issue that arose. Okay, so this is a box that comes out every other month and it is a box of inspiration, not a kit. So I always like to explain that. It has all of the products in there are designed to inspire you. You're going to need to add extra pieces to go together to make any bag that you like. So you do not get a pattern inside, but you do get pattern suggestions. This is the January one. We have another one coming in March and then May and July and so on going forward. Okay, so this is how it is sent out. I have actually started unwrapping this, but you get it wrapped in tissue paper for that kind of hamper vibe, that hamper unboxing feel. There is always a leaflet inside, and inside this leaflet there are 3 patterns that are suggested to go with the contents. So like I say, you don't get everything to make a particular pattern, but it does mean that there won't be hundreds of the same bag out there, which is what you get with kits. With this, you may have a pattern at home, or you can use the suggested pattern ideas inside. So this box, we have Kiteco Creates. We always have one from me and we have one from Lanyos Handmade. So I'll pop the 3 pattern suggestions on the screen. So from Kiteco Creates, we have the Sander crossbody bag. From me, we have the Munchbox, and from Lanyos Handmade, we have the Zaza bag. All of these have 20% off coupon codes. Often the designer will give me a coupon code that will go through all of their catalogue as well. So that's an added bonus to this box. Inside we also always have a tea bag or a treat. This one is the chocolate digestives tea from Bird and Blend. Absolutely love their tea. Even if you don't love tea, I really recommend you try it because I am a coffee drinker, but Bird and Blend, always the one for me. All right, let's start off with, okay, before we go any further, I have to tell you that there was a huge boo-boo with this box. If you have had this box, then you will know all about it because you will have received an email. If you have missed the email, please do go back and check because it's really important that you fill in this form. One of the items in this box has been sent to me by the supplier as the wrong size. And let me tell you, when I figured this out, which was actually the evening of all the boxes going out, I was sitting down on the sofa watching some TV and counting the extra stock so that I could get them ready for the website, and I realized that they were the wrong size. And as you can imagine, my heart absolutely dropped because it only takes one small mistake to completely ruin a business and for everybody to go, this is not for me, I'm going to cancel. I will show you exactly what was up with that piece. The quality is not affected, it is just a sizing issue. Like I say, the supplier sent me the wrong size. What we are doing is the supplier is sending brand new ones of the correct size to me. These are going to arrive in February. On that form, if you're a subscriber, it will have the choice whether to get it in February when it arrives or to wait until the March box and have it put into your March box. If you wait until the March box, then I will also give you an extra little goodie as well as a thank you, because obviously it's going to save me on postage, even though it's my issue, which is totally fine to send out when they arrive, if that makes sense. Okay, let's get back into it. So you always get stickers. I love a sticker. I used to collect stickers as kids. So this is like a dream come true, being able to design these stickers for you. So this gives a hint at the fabric that is included as well. So there's this one, which is 3 flowers. And then there's this one, which says, make 2026 your year as a bag maker. Hopefully you can see. And then the middle peels off, so you have the bag maker part to stick on your machine or give it to a friend, however you like to use your stickers. All right, next up, I'm going to show you the fabric. Now this is a base that I have not seen anyone else supply. It's very hard to describe it, and I didn't want to make it a ridiculously long name, but it is like a bonded nylon, waterproof canvas style, but it has a twill finish. So twill means that it's got these kind of little lines going through it that creates a little bit of texture. So it's not completely smooth, which I quite like because it gives it a little bit of bite under the machine, if that makes sense. It's not as slippery. It goes through the machine so beautifully. And this is a kind of navy, royal blue, and then it has these gold accents with these flowers running through. Apologies, I don't know the name of this flower. If you do, maybe you can pop it in the comments below. But there is 1/2 meter of this, and this is great for both interior of bags and exterior of bags as well. So you can use it as your lining or your outer. You don't have to interface it. You can add stabilizer or not as you wish. And like I say, it's completely waterproof, so it's perfect for bags. So together with the fabric, there is this absolutely gorgeous hardware. So there are 8 of these double capped royal blue rivets. They are absolutely gorgeous. Very hard to show on camera because they're quite small. But these are going to go so beautifully with that fabric. Now this is where the problem arose. The other hardware. So this is also a beautiful royal blue hardware, and this is a set to make a crossbody strap. So inside there are 2 1.5 inch lobster clasps. There are 2 of these triangle D-rings. And I prefer to use triangle D-rings because when you put your webbing or your strap connector inside, instead of it being a D-ring, which is kind of a large cavernous hole, if you like, the hole is a lot smaller, so it can't swivel around. If you've ever had a bag where the D-ring is swiveled around, slid around, this is one way to avoid it. Also, you can sew really close to the bottom edge, but that's why I really like and prefer these triangle rings, and I quite like the look of them, but that's just a preference thing. So there's 2 of those, and they are 1 inch. And then the final thing is where we have the issue, and it's because they sent me a 1 inch strap slider instead of a 1.5 inch. And you cannot use a 1.5 inch lobster clasp with a 1 inch slider. So this is being remade in 1.5 inches or 38 mils, and this is what will be sent out to you in February or March, depending on your preference. So that's where the issue arose. There's no issues with the quality. They are still absolutely gorgeous, but just the wrong size to make up a strap. So I wanted to say thank you so much to everybody for understanding, for being so nice about it. It is really stressful when something like this happens to a small business and very worrying. I lost a lot of sleep. But you all blew me away with your kind words and kind messages, and so huge thank you to that. If you are interested in any extras of this box, we do have some extras. The full boxes won't be sent out until we have that replacement part, because obviously they all need to be corrected. If you want to sign up to the box and get your first box in March, and also you want this box, then you can get this box as well, if that makes sense. You just need to subscribe, email me, and then I can get this added to your account, and then you would get the replacement slider sent in March. So that's one way to get this current box. If you are a current subscriber and you want extras of these items, we now have a really exciting extra part to the website, which is password protected just for subscribers of the Bag Makers box. So you will have had an email with the code, the password for that. You just need to go onto that page, enter that code, and then you'll be able to order this waterproof canvas and the hardware, etc., as to your needs. All right, that's it for this box. I do hope you have loved it, despite that small hiccup. Thank you so much for watching. Do watch the other unboxings coming up on the screen right now. Pop any questions you have in the comments box below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I shall see you on the next video.